Well, despite a record-setting winter, we already are smack dab in the middle of wildfire season. Hundreds have been burning across the state. Jennifer Hoff explains why you should be paying attention.
Minnesota's wildfire season usually starts in April. But our wet winter pushed it back until May, already logging some 500 wildfires in less than a month.
We've been on a drier pattern really since the snowpack melted.
Including this one in Hibbing, burning nearly 30 acres, and another one near Ely. None, though, nearly as big as the Greenwood fire 2 years ago. Part of a season, the DNR's Leanne Langenberg says drought conditions were the worst ever.
Do Minnesotans have to learn to live with more extreme wildfire seasons?
Wildfire is a part of Minnesota. We have ecosystems that depend on wildfire.
In the forest, fire breaks open seeds, and on the prairie, maintains an openness for species that need sun to survive. Still, 90% of wildfires here are human-caused, and today, the yellow and orange mean fire danger is high or very high in places now popular for people to get outside.
There's still a firefighter shortage, too, but Minnesota is well-equipped, drawing on a unique partnership that allows the closest resources and equipment to respond first, and that includes national and international agencies.
It really takes all of us doing our part to be safe.
An interagency fire center of sorts Langenberg is also part of. That includes 20 states to the east, another network based out of Boise, and even into Canada between Manitoba and Ontario.
That's really where we have a safety net built in, and so where we can help one another out, help our neighbors in need. We do.
Ready to fight fires that, like the weather, are changing in a season that still has a long way to go. Jennifer Hoff, KARE 11 News.